Maurice, nearly 300 people have been diagnosed with the Zika virus in New York City and on Long Island. All the infections were contracted overseas, but with the number of cases expected to rise, there's concern about not having enough money to fight it. CBS 2's Tony Aiello reports.
Unfortunately, Zika has a bullseye here in the New York metropolitan area and on Long Island.
Flanked by health officials inside Nassau University Medical Center, Senator Charles Schumer detailed the rising number of Zika cases locally. 16 in Nassau County, 20 in Suffolk, 241 in New York City. Schumer's concerned Congress has yet to agree on a billion-dollar-plus proposal to fund the national response to Zika, even as lawmakers prepare to go on summer break.
If we don't do something this week, we won't have a chance to do anything till September. And by then it may be too late.
Nassau and Suffolk counties are doing something, spraying pesticide in mosquito-infested areas, and public works crews are setting mosquito traps.
Public Works has treated thousands of street basins so far, sumps, ponds, and hundreds of miles of streams for our mosquitoes.
Like other major hospitals, Nassau University Medical Center is preparing its staff in case of an influx of Zika cases, even as it expands testing to detect any possible symptoms. And homeowners are being asked to make sure there's no standing water in pots, buckets, or tarps that can be a breeding ground.
I should probably start checking around the house to make sure there's if there is any water, then probably just take care of it at the time when I see it.
The fear of Zika prompted Katie Miller's family to cancel a trip to the Caribbean, where Zika has spiked.
I'd rather be safe than sorry. Just for my family, I have a young child. We may have more.
Meanwhile, Uniondale mom Jo Valveri says Congress needs to act.
It doesn't matter if you're a Democrat or Republican. This should definitely be something that's, important, because it's, lives.
Health officials say the federal funds are critically needed for clinical trials to find a Zika vaccine. Tony Aiello, CBS 2 News.
Pregnant women are still being advised not to travel to Zika-prone regions.